What is Quietum Plus? Quietum Plus is a dietary supplement crafted to improve auditory health using a blend of natural herbs, vitamins, and minerals. Its unique formula aims to target issues such as tinnitus, hearing loss, and age-related auditory decline. This product is not a quick fix but a holistic approach to maintaining long-term ear health. Its ingredients are carefully selected to address the root causes of hearing problems, including poor blood circulation, inflammation, and oxidative stress. Click the link in description. How Quietum Plus works. The mechanism behind Quietum Plus. The supplement functions by addressing the key factors affecting ear health. Blood circulation. Promotes better blood flow to the inner ear, ensuring essential nutrients reach auditory nerves. Nerve health. Supports and repairs damaged auditory nerves for improved hearing clarity. Anti-inflammatory properties. Reduces inflammation in the ear canal and surrounding tissues. Oxidative stress relief. Combats free radicals that damage ear cells and contribute to hearing loss. For more information, click the link in description.